We've made it to the last official weekend of summer, and it's going to be a hot one out there. So if you want to get some more pool action in, well, you have the weekend to do it. Highs will be into the mid-90s, lows will be into the low 70s. Most of us will be dry. Could be a slight chance of a storm by Sunday evening across our northwestern counties, but that's looking few and far between at best. And it is going to stay on the hot side. So there was a boundary that made its way down to the south. Could see a couple of isolated thunderstorms through the evening across our far northern areas. That will die out after sunset, and things will settle down across the area as high pressure takes over across the region, and that's going to keep us on the hot side around here. High temperatures over the next few days. Look at this. 94 to 95 degrees Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. The front that was coming in early next week, it's out of here. It doesn't look like it's happening, folks. However, it's just pushed back a little bit. Looks like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we may come down into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. A few more clouds around and a chance for a couple of thunderstorms as well. But the next 4 days looking pretty toasty across these parts. And looking at our forecast, again, any isolated activity will die out tonight going on into Saturday morning. There will be some high clouds around, so temperatures will likely hold around 70 degrees in the morning. During the afternoon, not much happening, folks, and going right on into Sunday morning as well. So looks like we will continue to be on the dry side. And then there's that very slight chance of an isolated storm on Sunday. I think most of it will be to the north of our region. And then as we head toward the middle part of next week, get that front in here, maybe a slightly better chance by then. We'll show you that in our future track. As we get into Tuesday, I think the front is still hung up to the north. A few showers and thunderstorms in Oklahoma crossing the Red River toward the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So not impacting our weather just yet. But on Wednesday, that front gets into our area, and now we have the potential for at least some widely scattered activity. This does not look like a widespread rain event as of now, just a few scattered thunderstorms here and there. And then that could linger into Thursday of next week with those slightly cooler temperatures as that front works its way into the region. So for tonight, temperatures will be into the upper 60s and lower 70s for us. And then tomorrow for your Saturday, highs will be in the low to mid 90s. Should be pretty warm out there over the next several days with those highs around 94, 95 degrees, lows at night into the lower 70s. Then late Tuesday going into Wednesday, a chance for a couple of thunderstorms as that front gets closer to us, dropping from 95 to 89. So not a huge drop, but it'll be at least noticeable, I guess. Then as we get into the end of next week, yep, it's right back up into the lower 90s once again with maybe an isolated storm or two. And for the Brazos Valley, we have an isolated thunderstorm for you on Saturday, 94 degrees for a high, up to 95s Monday and Tuesday. Slightly better chance for a couple of showers and thunderstorms Wednesday, possibly some isolated activity by the end of next week as well. High temperatures around 90 degrees, lows at night into the lower 70s. So not a big drop for the middle part of next week, but at least it's a little something.